Alright, today we're doing Trader Giotto's pizza dough. We're making some pizza, right? Alright. So we're going to use flour. We're going to use this lovely spread that Diana. And we might make one round and one square. I don't know yet. We haven't got that far. Alright, let's do this. Liquid butter. Or can you heat up butter? Yeah, get butter. Heat it up. Why? You don't have butter? Damn. What are you doing? Okay, do you have... We can use this. The garlic thing that you have. Garlic pieces. You can make it garlic. Alright, so basically, I made my crust and I stuffed it. Now I'm gonna because we don't have butter. Garlic parm. Who doesn't have butter? Here's our completed template. We have garlic parmesan. Do you have parmesan? Where's the parmesan? Put some parmesan. We're gonna have in a second garlic parm crust, pepperoni, bacon, onion, jalapenos, fresh apparently. We made the sauce just now, as you saw, and mozzarella for the cheese with stuffed crust.